So as you know, we teach our customers how to create journals and are always on the lookout for ways to make their work more efficient. That's why we wanted to show you this demo. Yusuf's going to demonstrate it in a second, of the Journal Creator by Amber Jalink. It's a great little tool to save you time in getting, your prompts into your pages and sort of getting a basic formatting. It's nothing fancy. It's just a really great time-saving tool. And then you could take that same content, it's an output as a PDF, and you could work with that on Adobe Acrobat. You could import it into Canva, and you've got lots of options to work from there. So I'll let Yusuf explain it to you.
So the first thing you would have to do is log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you got to choose your tool. In this case, we're going to choose the V2 standard. And here is some templates that you can use to create your own journal. They have altogether up to 25 templates. They're all unique and good looking. I'm going to use template 14 for my demonstration. So the first thing, it would ask you to enter your book title or the journal title. I have everything here, so I'm just going to copy it and then add it. So I'm going to create a happiness journal. The next thing would be to enter your copyright text. I have mine here, so I'm just going to add it. And then it will ask you to enter your headline for your intro page. I have the intro right here. The next step, it would ask you to add the intro description or content for the intro. This, you can write more than what I've written so far. I'm just trying to keep it simple for demonstration purposes. And then here you get to add your page headline. This is the headline that will show up on every page. So I'm going to add this text here. And then the next step would be enter your text, which is optional. Here, this is for the this area right here, this rectangle that is flipped upside down. And in here, I'm going to put draw your day, just for simplicity, so that they can, whoever uses the journal, they can draw their own little things there to the side. And then here you get to add your prompts. I have 3 prompts here that I'm going to copy over. Prompt number 2, and then prompt number 3. And these prompts will be repeated onto multiple pages. And then here you get to add your closing headline. I have a closing headline. I'd like to add visit us online, just to give them a link to our website so that they can purchase more journals. And I'm going to add the closing content. Find more journals and printables on shopekits.com, and then click finish. And this will generate a PDF file. And then once you're done, don't click start over. Click here, download your finished product PDF. And so this is how the final result will look like. You have the happiness journal. You have eKit Hub for us, copyright, and then 2024. And then this is the instruction page, where I have included the instructions here. This is a happiness journal that will guide you to reach your happy state of mind. And then this is where whoever uses the journal gets to write, their daily thoughts, So I started off by saying, how was your day? Here they can draw things, or they can take some quick notes or brainstorm how their days, how the day was, and then eventually transfer it over to here, what moment today made me laugh? Who did I connect with today, and how did it make me feel? What could I have done differently today to increase my happiness? And this repeats itself. It saves you time instead of you creating all of these lines and everything here, whether on Canva or PDF document. It does it for you, and it replicates that multiple times. And then it also comes in a PDF format, which means that you can download it and upload it onto Canva, and then add your cover, or you can delete some pages and add other pages and formats to your journal. You can add a planner to it, and that way you will have a journal in no time, and it will look presentable and beautiful, and you can add obviously more to it. So this is plain, but it's good to mass produce different styles of journals. As they have 25 templates, and you can use these templates that you can put together and mix and match by using Canva or any other editing software, or you can keep it the way it is. But I would definitely encourage to add a cover to make it look nice. So here, visit us online, find more journals and printables on Shop eKits. That way, whoever gets this journal, you might be using it to collect people's emails, by creating a free opt-in product. And then when you create a free opt-in product, you want them, you want to direct them somewhere where they can purchase more products from you, right? So to make a sale eventually. And here in that box that I showed you where I put this information, you can even add quotes to it. If you want to put a happiness related quote, you can add as many quotes as possible. They will appear down here. So this is how you basically create it. It's fast and simple, very efficient, and I would recommend using this tool if time is an issue for you and you want to mass produce in a short period of time. You can do that with this software, which is simple. It's not that fancy. It only costs $25, and then you'll have I believe a lifetime access to it. And you can go here, and these are the other templates that you can use, right? So you can produce one document like we did, 14, and then you can produce another one, template 15, which allows you to add a picture, and then you can combine the pages together. That's another thing that you can do, right? So and here you can use a large image box and then a headline where you will be able to input whatever you want to put at the top. So as you can see that there are different styles of templates. There are 25 templates all together that you can use to quickly produce a large amount of journals, and that will save you a lot of time. And then if you plan on getting the upsell, which is the V2 Deluxe, as you can see, you'll get access to more journals, different styles as well. And as you can see, they're like, altogether you would be getting up to 50 templates altogether, right? So that's very useful, very helpful. So that would be 25 additional templates if you choose to upgrade to V2 Deluxe, and the process is pretty much the same. You just click on it and then you populate the images. You populate the journal by adding the prompts that you need, the titles that you need, and then again you can take Canva later on to add covers to it and make it nicer and fancier, by just adding a beautiful cover. And you can even edit maybe like the first 2 pages and include some Canva pages to it. So this will help you to mass produce a lot of them in a short period of time. And I would encourage you, get the V2 standard if you want to save time to create templates by using these templates. And then if you want more templates and then you can obviously upgrade to this one. So it's just a useful tool. I know a lot of you might find it useful and handy, and it will help you save time. So it's just we thought we would put it out there for you to decide whether you need this tool or not.